I will quickly deliver the news about the conflict in the Middle East. This time, Iran launched attacks toward Kuwait and Bahrain. Iran fired 2 missiles toward Kuwait. Iran fired 3 missiles toward Bahrain. This is the recorded footage. Fortunately, all 5 missiles launched by Iran were intercepted. The Iranian military launched 3 drones at ships in the Strait of Hormuz. The US military quickly responded and intercepted all 3 drones in the air. No confirmed casualties have been reported, and Gulf countries and US air defenses intercepted all attacks. However, this is where the problem begins. This attack is being seen as the largest direct military action by Iran targeting the Gulf countries amid the recent weeks of ongoing tension. In particular, Kuwait and Bahrain serve as key bases for US military operations in the Middle East. Because of this, analysts say that this attack is not only directed at those countries, but also carries a warning message to the United States. The US military retaliated immediately, reportedly launching a precision strike on an Iranian ground control center on Qeshm Island. The facility is believed to be a control center that supports the operation of drones and missiles. It is also reported that the US has further strengthened its alert posture in the Gulf region in preparation for the possibility of additional attacks. All missiles and drones have been intercepted so far, resulting in no casualties, but ongoing military actions by both sides make optimism difficult. As the situation in the Middle East has once again reached a critical turning point, the whole world is watching closely to see what choices Iran and the United States will make in the future. If there is more news, I will make a video and upload it. This concludes the video. Thank you.